India's Directorate General of Health Services has released an important circular regarding the procurement of medical devices. The circular emphasizes that all medical devices sold, imported, manufactured, or distributed in India must have a valid license issued by the Central Drugs Standard Control Organization, CDSCO, or state UT licensing authorities, as per the Medical Devices Rules, 2017 under the Drugs and Cosmetics Act, 1940. This move aims to ensure the quality, safety, and performance of medical devices in the country. Medical devices are classified into 4 risk categories: Class A, low risk; Class B, low to moderate risk; Class C, moderate to high risk; and Class D, high risk. Licensing responsibilities are divided between state and central authorities. State UT licensing authorities issue manufacturing licenses for Class A and Class B devices, as well as sale licenses for all risk classes. CDSCO, as the central licensing authority, issues import licenses for all risk classes and manufacturing licenses for Class C and Class D devices after conducting a detailed technical review and ensuring compliance with quality management system standards. The circular specifically addresses procurement agencies, including hospitals and health institutions, urging them to make CDSCO or state licensing authority approval mandatory for medical device procurement. While additional certifications like USFDA or CE can be required, they must be considered supplementary to the mandatory licensing under Indian regulations. This step ensures that only licensed medical devices are sold and used in the country, safeguarding public health. If you face any issues related to indirect tax, customs, GST and foreign trade policy, contact us on the details given in the bio.